Hello, CEO coaches. It's Elise Michelle, your online marketing coach. So today I want to share with you a short video tip for online coaches just like you. Inside of the Done For You coaching content bundles, you get Canva short video templates, which makes it super easy and super fast for you to start using Reels in your online coaching business. Okay, so all you have to do is click on this image, right? Click on here and it will open up Canva. It's going to take you to this page and you're going to click use template. And it's going to open up the templates. As you can see down here at the bottom, you get to see all 8 of the templates, and they're about 7 to 5 seconds long, which is good enough and great to get some views, get some brand awareness for your brand and your interest, so it starts to position you as an expert. Inside of every short video template, you're going to get directions on how to use it, how to download it, etc. But I'm going to share with you how to do it right here inside of this training. So as you can see, the templates come in a static image in the background. So let's go ahead and hit play so you can see that with text overlay that is moving. And then you also have a template with video in the back with moving text as well. And so for this example, I am going to edit the still image background, and we're going to do some little changes, but not that much, because the ideal is to make this short, quick, and simple so that you can upload these videos really fast. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I think I am going to change the image. So let's go over here to photos, and I'm going to use something that's a little bright and fun. So let's use this one. It doesn't really relate, but y'all get the point. I wanted something bright. And I think I am going to put my social profile handle. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. And then I am going to type in my handle. I think I'm going to make it a tad bit smaller. And I think I'm going to put it underneath here, but smaller. No, I think I'm gonna put it down here. And I want to, right now, it already has an animation on it, which is pan, as you can see up here, but I want to change that animation to, let's see about fade. That's what fade looks like. And maybe I will slow it down. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with that. Okay. And that's it. So after I've done that, I am going to download it. So I'm going to go here to the share. I'm going to go to download. I'm going to make sure it says MP4 video, right? And I'm going to keep my quality about here, which is a 1080 HD, which is great. I am going to see, you see all the reels or short video templates right here. So I'm going to deselect all, and I am going to only select page 2. And then I'm going to hit done. I'm going to check to make sure it's an MP4, and then I'm going to hit download. And as you can see, it is downloaded. Once it has downloaded, we're going to have 1 second to go. There it is. It will download to your file somewhere on your laptop or desktop. So we're going to hit, and here it is. So let's hit play. And there you go. It's all there, all nice and pretty for you, okay? And once everything is downloaded, you can now upload this to your favorite reel platform, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can also create this on your phone if you have the feature on your phone, and then you can download it to your phone and then upload it to your favorite platform. So if you already have joined Coaching Business Simplified, then you get these short video templates every single month. As long as they're very popular, I'm going to continue to create templates that are on trend for you, that helps you get in front of your clients the easiest and simplest way possible. And if you're not a member, then this is a great chance for you to join. Everything about the Coaching Business Simplified is below this video. All right, you guys have an awesome and blessed day. I'll be talking to you later.